What's up guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel. Today we're working on the Audi A6 Avant here. I'm going to show you how to do the rear differential flush and we're going to flush the front differentials. I'm going to make this video super short and sweet, so let's cut right into it. But real quick, before we get into this video, if you guys could do me a favor and smash that like and subscribe button, we out. For this job you will need a 8mm Allen hex. So here we are underneath the car. This is the differential. I was looking around online and all the how-to videos show a completely different differential for this Audi. The drain plug is right here. So we're pulling that out. That's how you drain the fluid. On mine, and again, always check before you get into it that you can actually take both plugs out. Take the fill plug out first so that you know where it is and everything. So right there is the fill plug for mine. Pull that out and just make sure you can get it out first. So that's an 8mm and the bottom one's an 8mm. So you're gonna want to take your 8mm hex and break this bolt free, and be prepared for 9 cans of shark shit to spill out of here if you haven't done this in a while. Stuff that never smells good. It's not my favorite. Oh, you know if it like spills on your arm too? Like that's why I just wear gloves, man, because that shit spills all over my arm and it's got me smelling like 9 cans of shark shit myself. I'm good. I am good. All right, let it flow. Hey, that's actually not that bad looking. I was expecting this to look like a swamp in here, so I am actually relatively impressed. Now that's draining, I'll come back up here. I'll show a better angle of this once the oil's not pouring out. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. There's the fill plug. You can clean both of them. There's no difference in the two that I know of. Shout out ECS. I love ordering parts from these guys. So we ordered LiquiMoly fully synthetic gear oil here, and I searched around everywhere. ECS had the best price on this particular product. Check out the link in the description below. Also in the box we have a purge valve from Bosch. And I'll be 100% honest, I actually didn't need to do this, but I wanted the free shipping, so I bought a $10 part to get my free shipping. Shout out to you guys, ECS, thank you. So we'll have another video on how to do this as well. Hey, they gave me a quart of high performance genuine engine oil, which is actually perfect because I'm going on a road trip to Silverwood and I actually needed about a quart of oil, so big shouts out to you guys. Definitely appreciate that. Thank you. Let's get back into putting this into the car. All right, go ahead and put your drain plug back in. Tighten it to 26 foot-pounds of torque. I have an automatic torque wrench built into my arm, so I don't really worry about it too much, you know. Kind of put her in there. Beep, beep. See, that's my torque wrench going off. That's 26 pounds. So, you know, make sure yours is adjusted and calibrated and do it as you will. All right, moving on to the transfer pump. There's a link to the bio in this as well. Just get this at your Harbor Freight store. You just pump it into the diff until it starts pumping out. So here we go. You want to fill it up until it starts to leak out just a little bit and then tighten it up. Very simple process. That's all tightened and filled now, as you can see. Filled it until we dripped out here, so onto the front. I got 1 quart out of it, but I put 1.3, 1.2 in maybe, so. Now we are moving along to the front, which at this point in the video, you're either going to say, fuck this is stupid, or you're gonna be like, hey, this is really helpful, thanks for that, so check this out. So you have to take your front wheel off. That's always great. So right there, that's where the bolt will be. And you'll have to remove the 3 nuts on top of this housing nut that hold this in as well. So next you're gonna want to take a 6mm hex and remove this little metal guard just to get it out of your way. So this thing is kind of a pain in the ass to get out. I used like a swivel head or whatever on a socket, taking the last bolt out right now. Lots of extensions help, so. And that's gonna be my favorite bolt to put back in. So yeah, lots of wobbly wobblies. Very nice, very nice. So this is the piece that you'll be removing. Now that that's off, that will give you access to that guy right there. All right, after you take out the drain plug here, the oil will not drain out. You'll have to stick a tube in as far as you can and suck out as much as you can. And then you'll have to put the fresh fluid back in, obviously. So measure what you take out, put about the same amount in right until it overflows. As you see, it's not overflowing here, so do it till it dribbles. Make it wiggle, wiggle. All right. So I'm sucking it out with a fluid pump right now. It sounds like a 3 a.m. trip to Taco Bell went wrong. Oh. But basically just sucking out as much as possible. You'll have to move and position the hose. You always gotta position your hose until you can get more out. And have fun. It's a wonderful job. It smells like a shark sheet, you know? Like 9 cans of shark sheet. Oh yeah, my garage is gonna smell so great. Oh, here we go. That's a good spot. That's sucking. Call that good. We got a good amount out. I'm gonna clean the pump out and put some new fluid in here. So basically attach this bolt back. 26 foot-pounds of torque. So pretty much after you fill up the front differential, a little bit will dribble out. I used about 2.5 quarts. I still have just under about half a bottle left. I'll put my best guess at how much oil came out in the comments below. Let me know if you do this job, how much differential oil you get out of it. Again, everywhere I looked, I did not see a video for how this is done, so please hit that like button at least for this video if it helped you at all. So thank you.